Hi loves, welcome back. For today's video, I have a very special unboxing. But before we get started, if you're new here, hello. My name is Fabiola, and if you love anything pink, girly, love fashion and decor, consider subscribing, push the bell notification down below, and follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. So I treated myself to a new handbag, and I can't wait to show you what bag I chose. This is actually a pre-owned handbag. I did own this bag in a bigger version back in 2020, and I decided to sell it because it was a little too big and I really wasn't reaching out for it as much. But this time I got a smaller version that I know I am going to absolutely love because I did have the same exact bag in a different print. But I'm so excited. I got an amazing deal. I got this from eBay. eBay has so many incredible finds. They have a bunch of designer items, and what I love about purchasing from eBay is that every time you get something that is designer, it is authenticated by eBay. So if somebody sells a product, you buy it, and instead of shipping it to you, it gets shipped to an eBay authenticator. They then authenticate the purse, check it for every single detail, they give you a certificate, and then they ship it to you. That is incredible, and I'm so glad because it's almost kind of like a peace of mind that you are getting an authentic item. I decided to get this pre-owned because the retail price on this right now on the Louis Vuitton website is through the roof. There's nothing wrong with getting pre-owned items, and I love getting pre-owned and vintage items. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So here is the box. I did already open it, but I have not opened the dust bag as of yet. And as you can see here, it says eBay authenticity guaranteed, and anytime you purchase anything from eBay, check for that little check mark that says authenticity guaranteed, because that's how you will know you will get authentic items. I also like going to other websites like The Real, Rebag. There's like a bunch of different websites, but the prices there can be a little bit high. And when it comes to buying pre-owned and brand new, the difference from those websites to the brand new ones is not like a huge difference. As with eBay, you can place bids, you can make an offer, and that's what I did. I actually made an offer and the seller accepted it, and I am thrilled. And it comes with a dust bag. It says eBay. It's really nice actually. It's embroidered and it's a really nice thick dust bag. So when I purchased this online, I saw the description. She did mention that it did not come with its original dust bag anymore, and it did not come with the little wallet that comes inside, but that's totally fine because all I wanted was the handbag. So let me show you which one I got. So this is a bag I've been wanting for a very long time, ever since I sold it. And I got the Neverfull PM. Absolutely beautiful. Like, everything about this purse is gorgeous. Wow, this actually looks way better in person than on the actual website with the pictures. So like I said, it is pre-owned, and you can tell by the color of the vachetta. I think that's how you say it. Forgive me if I'm butchering it. I've heard people call it vachetta, vachetta. I'm going to stick with vachetta. It is a little bit more on the honey color. And I love the size of this handbag. So this comes in 3 different sizes. It comes in the GM. It also comes in the MM size, which is the one that I actually owned. I'm going to attach a picture right up here so you can see it. But I had that purse. It was beautiful. The lining was pink, but it was just a little bit too big for what I needed. And then it comes in the PM size, which is actually this one. And for me, this is perfect. So this print is the Damier Azur, and this is actually discontinued now on the website. I think it became discontinued a couple years ago, if I'm not mistaken. It only comes in the Damier Ebene and the monogram print now. There's also these cards right here. This one says return voided if removed. So you want to make sure you leave it until you're 100% sure that you love your bag. And then on the blue envelope, your authenticity card. And it has like a little QR code and then the details of the card. This makes me very excited because it's like a peace of mind. I know that I am getting an authentic piece. So the inside of the bag actually comes with a organizer, and the seller did post that on the website. She said she would include the organizer with the bag. I love these organizers because you can have everything neatly organized in these bags. And there's also like a little zipper clutch here that goes with the purse organizer. She included a note. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your new bag." And I already do. She is beautiful. I am going to remove the purse organizer because I want to see what the inside looks like. And it looks beautiful on the inside. It is very, very clean. I am impressed. So it also comes with a little zipper compartment right here, which honestly I never use. Even on my other tote bags, I never use the zipper compartment, but the zipper is very smooth. So this bag is made in France. The gold is still very, very shiny. You can actually cinch these in. You can make it smaller like this so that it kind of shortens a little bit. I like to leave it just as it is, but you do have the option to make it a tiny bit smaller. I did want to show you how this purse looks styled so that way you can decide if this size is the perfect one for you. So here it is as a shoulder bag. It's actually quite comfortable and my whole entire arm fits through there without any problem. I can definitely see if I'm wearing a jacket, I don't think it would be as comfortable. It would probably be very tight. But in the summertime, spring, when you're just wearing a sweater or shirt, it would look really cute as a shoulder bag, and it's very, very comfortable. I really love the way it looks and I am obsessed with this color. Or you can use it as a tote bag and just carry it with your hand or in the crook of your arm like so, and it's very comfortable. It looks very cute. So I am going to pack my new bag, add some of my everyday essentials, and then I will show you what fits inside my new beautiful handbag. So that was everything for today's unboxing. I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week. I love you all so, so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.